Today we are making microwave rice kheer from India. It serves 4 people and takes about 25 minutes. Creamy, fragrant, and so easy. First, let's check the ingredients. 4 cups of whole milk, the creamy base of our kheer. 1/4 cup of basmati rice for gentle texture. 6 tablespoons of sugar to sweeten the pudding. 1 teaspoon of ghee for richness and aroma. 1/2 teaspoon of ground cardamom for that classic fragrance. A pinch of saffron strands to tint the kheer golden. 3 tablespoons of chopped almonds and pistachios for crunch. 2 tablespoons of raisins to sweeten each bite. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Using a fine mesh strainer, rinse the basmati rice under cold water, drain well, soak for 5 minutes, then drain again. Lightly crush the soaked rice with the back of a spoon, breaking most grains in half. This helps the pudding thicken. Pour 4 cups of whole milk into a large microwave-safe glass bowl, and leave at least 2 inches of headspace so it does not boil over. Microwave on high power for 3 minutes until the milk is steaming. Scoop out 2 tablespoons of the hot milk into a small cup, add a pinch of saffron, stir, and let it bloom while you continue. Stir in 1 teaspoon of ghee and the crushed rice into the hot milk. Microwave on medium power for 8 minutes total, in 4 rounds of 2 minutes. Stir thoroughly after each round so the rice does not stick. Stir in 6 tablespoons of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cardamom until fully dissolved. Pour in the saffron milk and mix until the kheer turns pale golden. Microwave on medium power for 2 minutes to thicken further. Stir in 2 tablespoons of raisins and 3 tablespoons of chopped almonds and pistachios, and save a small pinch of nuts for garnish. Microwave on medium power for 1 minute to plump the raisins and soften the nuts. Let the kheer rest for 5 minutes in the microwave with the door ajar so it can settle and thicken. Stir well, spoon the microwave rice kheer into bowls, garnish with the reserved nuts, and serve warm or chill for 30 minutes for a cooler pudding. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. That is our microwave rice kheer, creamy and fragrant. If you liked this video, tap like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more quick recipes.